चलत्येकेन पादेन तिष्ठत्यन्येन पण्डितः नासमीक्ष परं स्थानं पूर्वमायतनं त्यजेत्. It means verbally that a wise man walks with one leg and stands with the other. Oh, how's that possible? How can someone walk with one leg and stand with the other? Such types of subhashits are called as Kuta Subhashit, in which the first sentence or the first line of the verse is a small riddle and the second line is its solution. Now, what is the hidden meaning of this subhashit? A wise man walks with one leg and stands with the other. That means a wise man will always fix his next destination and only then will relieve himself from his earlier destination. Let us say it together. Chalatyekena padena, chalatyekena padena, तिष्ठत्यन्येन पण्डितः तिष्ठत्यन्येन पण्डितः नासमीक्ष परं स्थानं नासमीक्ष परं स्थानं पूर्वमायतनं त्यजेत् पूर्वमायतनं त्यजेत्. Once again, let us see the meanings also. Pandita is a wise man. Nasamiksha, not having seen. Param sthanam, the place to reach. Purvamayatanam, the earlier place. Tyajet is left or is abandoned. Chalat ekena padena, chalati ekena padena, walks by one leg. Tishthatyanyena panditaha, note the joined syllables, zodakshars. Tishthatyanyena panditaha, tishthati anyena panditaha. The pronunciations should be very, very pure and correct in Sanskrit subhashits, and that is where we learn to twist our tongue, and twisting tongue has lot many more benefits than the meaning and the words. Together again. चलत्येकेन पादेन तिष्ठत्यन्येन पण्डितः नासमीक्ष परं स्थानं पूर्वमायतनं त्यजेत्.